Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. First of all, let me wish you a very happy 2018. May we all touch new horizons in our life in this new year. In this video, I show you how to make washing pots. These can be used in washing machines as well. These are inexpensive and contains minimalistic chemicals. Let's get into the video. For this we need a grater, any soap, measuring cups, a spatula, washing soda, borax powder, vinegar, and a OxiClean. Now here, if you don't have washing soda, then baking soda can also be used in its place. Now here we need grated soap around half a cup. For me, these laundry pots last up to anywhere around 2 to 3 months depending on the usage. In this, put 1.5 cup of washing soda or baking soda, whichever is available to you. After that, add 1.5 cup of borax powder. I find these washing pots to be a really good substitute for a washing liquid or a washing detergent. Now mix it well. Now take half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of OxiClean. I am taking VANISH liquid. Mix all these well. Here you can use 50 to 80 drops of any essential oil of your choice for the fragrance. Now give it a thorough mix and the consistency should be like the wet sand. Now to mold them, I am taking an ice tray. To this I am going to add the mixture and give it a shape. Press the mixture hard into the tray so that it takes its shape. Leave it for 24 hours to set. To unmold, flip the tray upside down. Some of the cubes will come out itself. For the rest, gently pat at the back of the tray. If you want to buy any of the ingredients online, then I'll put the link in the description box. These are available on Amazon. Now here I have made the pots in different sizes and shapes. Store them in an airtight container. With this, we do not need to use a fabric softener, as the vinegar in itself is a fabric softener. The borax powder in the washing pots is multi-purpose. It removes the stains and is a very good odor neutralizer. My whites are more whiter after using this. Give it a try and let me know how you find it to be. This is it for this video. If you like my video, then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment as well. Thank you for watching.